Hello everybody, today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate to you one of our brand new items. To my left, you're looking at one of our brand new style cases, okay? This is going to be a special red meat case. Okay, so it's going to be an all stainless steel unit. As you can see, we have a glass display on the front, glass sliding doors on the back. Now, before we get started on more, I want to go ahead and measure this unit for you. I'll measure the exterior, I'll also measure the interior for you. Starting with length, you're looking at a total of 72 inches, 72. For your depth, you're looking at a total of 33.5 inches. Okay, and the overall height, you're looking at a total of 55 inches overall height. Okay, so the unit does have wheels already installed, casters, that makes it easier for you to use it. Also, we're going to go ahead and show you the back. On the very bottom, we have storage space for this unit. It's going to be refrigerated. Also on the back, we have a temperature control as well as a power switch. Okay, now I want to go ahead and show you the inside and measure you the inside for you. Starting with front to back, you're looking at a total of 29 inches. Okay, the bottom shelf, you're looking at measurement of 14.5. Top shelf will be 13. Okay, so you also will be provided with a glass that will go installed on these shelves. Okay, so glass is already provided. Also, I want to go ahead and measure the height and length on the inside. For the height, you're looking at a total of 33 inches. And the length, 70 inches. Okay, so that's measurement for the inside of this unit. Also, you will be provided with a manual. Okay, so if you have any questions or don't know how to use the unit, all the information is going to be on that manual. There will also be a drain on the inside for this meat case. Okay, that will go through the back piping right there. Now, lastly, I want to go ahead and show you the stickers on the side of this unit where you can locate all the specs regarding this meat case as well as certification. This unit is certified by the health department and you can locate certifications on that sticker. Okay, so that's going to be it for this meat case. If you're interested in one of these units, go on our website, coolerdepotUSA.com. We'll update more information on the website, including the price for this exact size. We'll have other sizes available, as you can see here. So go on our website, coolerdepotUSA.com. Everything will be on the website. Now, if you have any other questions regarding one of these meat cases, you can also give us a call, and we'll help you guys out with those questions. Thank you for watching.